This is my summary review of the VECYS CR18 Car Refrigerator. If you want to see a video about how to use the control panel or the full review, follow the links I provide. So the VECYS Car Refrigerator is 22 inches wide by 12.5 inches deep and 11 3/4 inches tall. But keep in mind you're going to have a little bit of space around all these air holes and for this plug to fit in during actual operation. So it has a nice, easy to open lid with a nice latch here that positively closes and locks it shut. You can set the control panel as low as -20 centigrade, which is -4 Fahrenheit. So I've frozen a liter of water, although it takes about 24 hours to fully freeze a liter of water. It will hold ice cream firm, maybe not quite as hard as your home refrigerator or your home freezer, but it will keep it firm. Now it takes a lot more power when it's freezing than when it's refrigerating. So at its coldest temperature, I measured that this took 520 watt hours to maintain freezing temperatures for one 24-hour day. Now in refrigeration temperatures, -0 or 0 centigrade, maybe 1 degree centigrade, somewhere around 33 degrees Fahrenheit, it only takes 190 watt hours to maintain temperature for a full day. If you can, it's better to put food that's already cooled down in it and have it maintain the temperature than to use it to cool things down. You can set the temperature as high as 20 degrees centigrade, which is 68 Fahrenheit. So it can be used to chill wine or keep cosmetics at a set temperature, or anything that needs to be set at a particular temperature below about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. This early model that I have has a bug in the temperature conversion code between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So if you're running it in Fahrenheit mode, when the compressor turns off, the temperature display goes wonky for a bit. It doesn't affect the actual performance. It cycles and cools correctly, and if you're using Celsius, it works perfectly. So I'm going to use it in Celsius mode instead of Fahrenheit. The customer support people said they're going to be fixing that in later versions. I like how the handles are integrated inside the unit. The handle on this side is in the compressor area. The handle on that side goes into the insulation, so it makes a little bit of area where your cold can escape out of that handle. The drink indent on the top is a nice little feature to have. Overall, it does a good job keeping food cool, and it doesn't draw too much power, and it looks pretty nice.